This video is sponsored by food. Waste! And if this wasted piece of bread makes you uncomfortable or even angry at me, what I'm about to share with you will make you go furious. Because, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the way of wasting more food than we eat. It might sound extreme, but in the US alone, about 40% of all the food produced never gets eaten. That is almost $180 billion of food wasted in a year, and it's getting worse. Waste! And today, I want to address one of the main reasons for this waste: the big supermarkets.
I'm at the Walmart here in Salina, and they are throwing all of this food away.
Waste! And they don't want us to see it. They hide the waste in closed containers.
They don't let our employees have it.
And they don't even acknowledge that this is a huge global problem. If wasted food was a country, it would be the third largest producer of carbon dioxide in the world, right after China and United States. What's even worse is whilst all of these extremely rich companies waste tons
This is good until 2020. You see it?
of fresh food, 1 out of 6 people faces hunger and would do anything to simply have food. Here's why I'm so passionate about this. One thing you don't know about me is that just last year I was a manager in one of the biggest fast food chains in the UK. In my 3 years of working in retail, I was forced to throw away hundreds of bags of fresh food with my own hands. The amount of ridiculous laws in the UK that prevented me from donating the leftover food was insane. Waste! What if homeless people sue the company because they got food poisoning? What if they are allergic to an ingredient? Too many of those stupid laws create even more waste!
30 deliveries just like this one every single day. Every single day. Every single day. Every single day.
But this video is not to complain. This video is to help. So here's what we can do. The number one thing is to share the food waste problem with everyone around you, because the more of us that know about the staggering amount of food getting wasted by these superstores, the bigger the pressure we can put on them to fix it. If we, as customers, push them to donate the food, they will invest a much bigger budget towards inventing modern ways of dealing with food waste. So the next time you go to your favorite store, instead of being a regular customer, ask them how much food they waste and what they do to prevent it. Because in all the 3 years of working with customers, no one ever asked me about it, because no one really knew how much food was being wasted in their favorite store.
The cost before date is almost 2 months away.
Yeah.
Well, now you know, and until we make them fix it, let's waste less food at home to lead by example. Because if we manage to fix the food waste, we will get much closer to stopping world hunger and much further from ruining our planet.